Hey, it's Josh here. I just wanted to pop in with a quick video here as we get a little further into the new year. I know the past couple months I've been kind of MIA on YouTube and doing tutorial videos and more recommendation videos, but I am back. I'm really excited to start this year. I got myself a brand new microphone and I have some announcements and some really cool updates I'm excited to let you in on as we get a little further into 2019. So the reason that I've had to kind of take a break from doing a lot of tutorials and other free videos for you is because I'm wrapping up a bunch of courses. So a lot of you know that I released my first course on building a website maintenance plan at the end of last summer. I launched my CSS course for Divi in the fall, and I just got done with my cPanel course, which is my first of 4 mini courses that are launching this month and next. So I've been really working hard at developing and building these courses, which are going to be done next month. And it's funny, 2018 was such a crazy year for me professionally and personally. A lot of you know that my daughter was born in the spring and we immediately spent 2 months in the NICU after that. Luckily, she's doing well. We still have a lot of challenges, but it kind of threw us for a loop last year. And I say that to say I had intended all my stuff with joshhall.co to be completely different, but we kind of got derailed with that, so I didn't get to do as much as I wanted to do last year. But one thing I found that I loved was teaching. And I found that out through doing tutorials with the growth of my YouTube channel. That was pretty unexpected. And then all the feedback I've heard from people. So it inspired me to try out doing a course. And my first maintenance plan course went so well and it's still helping so many people out that I'm excited to do more. So that's why I wanted to focus over the past couple months on getting all my courses done. And then the second thing I'm excited to let you in on is that I will be doing more tutorials and free videos for you. So those are not going away. No matter how many courses I do, I will always try to do as many free tutorials that I can for you, especially for folks who are just getting into web design, Divi, and WordPress. And then the third thing I'm really excited to let you in on is that I'm going to be starting my podcast in the spring. So my podcast is going to consist of myself telling you about what I've learned in the business of freelance web design as I've been doing it for nearly a decade now. I've learned a lot recently about work-life balance since I have a stay-at-home wife and my new little baby girl. So I've learned a lot about working from home and balancing my web design business. So I'm excited to get transparent and personal and talk about what I've learned there, about growing a web design team. I'm going to talk about a lot of cool things with the podcast. And then I'm also going to do interviews with it. So for those of you who have seen my scaling series from last year on scaling your Divi web design business, I got to chat with a lot of people who are successful with Divi and WordPress and web design. And I'm going to do a lot of that. I've already lined up quite a few people who are top dogs with things like WordPress and YouTube channels, more expert web designers. And I'm even going to talk to potentially some of my clients and some other people just about web design business in general. So for example, one of my clients is a home inspector here in Columbus, Ohio, and he has almost 200 Google reviews. So I think what would be great is to do an episode on hearing how he gets that many reviews and share that information with you guys so you can do that for your business and your clients. So podcast, I'm super, super excited about. Look for that in the spring. And again, I'm going to be getting all my next courses here. So you can check out below what courses I have coming out this month and next, and then look for more tutorials and videos. And who knows where this is going to go in 2019. So thank you all for your support. Thank you for your patience. And I'll see you out there on the interwebs here this year. If you do want to connect with me directly, it's best to like me on Facebook. I'll put that link below. You can connect with me there. And then if you sign up for my email newsletter, you'll get exclusive deals and you'll hear from me directly on all this stuff coming up. So thanks again for your support, guys. Catch you later.